Welcome to Quick Install by 3D Effects. This video will take you through 5 quick steps to install your new accelerator card. Read the Quick Install installation guide in the cover of the CD case before you begin. You will need to disconnect all of the cords from the back of your computer, beginning with the power cord. Some components of your computer, as well as your new accelerator card, are sensitive to static electricity. Touch your computer's metal case to discharge static before handling any of these parts. Next, examine your computer's case to determine exactly how to remove the cover. You might need to remove several screws from the case. This computer has a single side panel that is easily unscrewed, unsnapped, and removed. Some computers have covers that wrap over the entire case. Refer to your manual if you are unsure on how to remove your computer's cover. Once the cover is off, you are ready for the next step of Quick Install. The following 2 steps are easier if you turn your computer on its side. Remove the current display card by removing the screw from its mounting bracket and pulling the card upward and out of the connector slot. Install your new card into the same connector slot. Place the card's gold connectors into the slot and press downward. You will hear a click when the card snaps into place. Take a close look and make sure the card is firmly seated in the slot. Reattach the card's mounting bracket to the computer's case by replacing the screw. After replacing your computer's cover and turning it upright again, you can begin the last step by reconnecting all of the cords, ending with the power cord. Turn the computer's power button on and continue the Quick Install by installing the display drivers also provided on this CD. You have now completed Quick Install.